If you're tired of chasing down employee signatures, I've got a quick, simple solution for you. In just 3 minutes, you'll learn how to get those signatures without the hassle. Stick around to the end to see exactly how it works and grab a free trial to the software we'll be using in the description below. You've probably tried the usual methods, paper forms, emails, or even calling employees to remind them to sign. But those options are time-consuming and inefficient. What if there was a way to collect signatures automatically and ensure nothing slips through the cracks? That's exactly what we'll dive into today. The trick is using digital signature software that automates the entire process. Instead of hunting down signatures, this software lets you send a document to employees who can sign it remotely. All they need is an email and they can sign from any device. No more chasing down busy employees or wasting time on back and forth emails. But it gets better. This software tracks who has signed and sends reminders to those who haven't. It even gives you a timestamp so you can be sure everything's on time, every time. And the best part? You can set up the software to automatically send follow-ups if someone hasn't signed yet, so you don't have to worry about sending reminder emails yourself. Now, I've tested a few popular options out there, but what I'm about to show you is a real game changer. Our software allows you to integrate directly with your existing workflows, meaning no more juggling between platforms. You can even track the status of every document in real time and get notified as soon as someone signs. In fact, with this software, all you have to do is upload the document, add your employees, and let the software do the rest. It handles reminders, it handles tracking, and it even handles the legalities of digital signatures, making sure everything is above board. And before you start thinking this might sound complicated, don't worry. The software is designed for non-technical people, meaning you can set everything up in just a few clicks. No training required. If you're ready to stop chasing signatures, click the link in the description to grab an exclusive free trial of the software we're using. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is simple. Stop wasting time chasing employee signatures. Instead, automate the process with digital signature software. It's fast, efficient, and eliminates the need for follow-ups. Here's a quick recap. 1. Upload your document. 2. Send it to employees. 3. The software takes care of the reminders and tracking. 4. Get the signatures you need without the hassle. And don't forget, grab your exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along and make this process even easier. Thanks for watching.